have to make it
The
here.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Manasquan Inlet and Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 to 40 nautical miles, including Axel Carlson Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Beach Haven, Deepwater Reef, Fort Trevor, Garden State North Reef, Garden State South Reef, Harvey Cedars, Lavalette, Little Egg Inlet, Little Egg Reef, Manasquan Inlet, North Beach Haven, Ocean Gate, Seaside Park and Ship Bottom, until 10 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater, extending from central New Jersey to the Philadelphia area, moving east at 45 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near Seaside Park at 8:30 p.m., Ocean Gate at 8:30 p.m., Lavalette at 8:30 p.m., North Beach Haven at 8:40 p.m., Little Egg Inlet at 8:40 p.m., Beach Haven at 8:40 p.m., Harvey Cedars at 8:40 p.m., Little Egg Reef at 8:50 p.m., Garden State South Reef at 8:50 p.m., Ship Bottom at 8:50 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Thursday evening for central New Jersey. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 1 a.m. Friday morning for southern New Jersey. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following marine location: coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg